artificial intelligence, or AI. You know, that thing that links machine and man, that thing that drives your car, or that thing that cheats in Battle Frontier. I mean, come on! How is that possible? Come on! However, I'm not here to talk about artificial intelligence specifically. I'm here to talk about these two things: AI art and ChatGPT. So why don't we start in order? That's right, AI art, or more specifically, the dall-e image generation model. You know, that thing that can effortlessly create a picture of Ronald Reagan and Sonic the Hedgehog kissing. Wow. Imagine all the other things you could do if you had an AI art model. I mean, as long as your AI art model is trained properly, because if not, results may vary. However, don't go out there thinking you can just make the next Mona Lisa in your AI art model and think you can make millions and millions of dollars, because with AI art, as of recently, has come lots of legal trouble. In the courts of the United States, as of filming right now, there seems to be quite a bit of dispute over the copyright holder of said AI art images. You see, in my opinion though, law pertaining to the copyright holding of AI art could go one of three ways. The first way, the author of the generated AI art would be the person who entered the parameters into the AI engine, therefore being the copyright holder of the image. 2, since the art was not created by a person, it can't belong to anybody, therefore being public domain. And then there's the third way. The third way, of course, being, in my opinion, a way that would only protect the interests and profits of a corporation or business. And that would be the owner of the AI model, so the company who coded it, would be the owner of any works generated by that AI. Which, like I said, I don't particularly think is a good idea, but that's just me. However, before I move on, hello, and welcome to the AI art exhibit. If you follow me, we'll go ahead and start with our first piece on the show floor. Here first, we have SpongeBob mugging a homeless man in New York. I love pieces about political stuff and social commentary. That's great. Why don't we go ahead and move on to our next piece? As you can see here, we have an elephant wizard. Truly, just a social commentary on Andrew Tate. And if we'll move to my favorite, my absolute favorite here, we have a wizard summoning a golem on a grassy hill. Beautiful, a masterpiece, cannot be beat. Such an accurate representation of history. Thank you for coming today to today's AI art exhibit. The exit is over there. If you don't leave now, there is no gift shop. I'm going to have my friend beat the ever living shit out of you. Okay, goodbye now. Next, we have a different type of AI generator, more like a language model, the most popular one being ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT is a language model meant to be used for chatbots, originally developed by OpenAI, just like the dall-e image generation model. However, this AI was trained to understand a variety of topics and even questions and queries, which I think is the same thing. Don't leave me alone. It more specifically is well suited for generating human-like responses to your questions. Funny enough, ChatGPT actually has the ability to hold conversations and generate responses based on your really in-depth questions or conversations you're trying to hold with it. It's really interesting. You know, and ChatGPT can be used for a whole bunch of things besides chatbots. It can be used for like virtual assistants and even content creation. See what I'm doing there? And more. Now, one of the issues that a lot of people seem to have with ChatGPT today is it tends to create academic dishonesty, as students will actually a lot of the times try to use ChatGPT to write their assignments for them. However, these days there seems to be some sort of way to get around this. I think it's called NoGPT or XGPT, something like that, something or the other. However, in the spirit of all those times I plagiarized schoolwork, here's a video, Ando style, written completely by AI. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the year 2005, where YouTube was still just a little baby. And green screens, of course, were all the rage. As you can see right now, I am standing in front of a green screen, just as the pioneers of YouTube once did. Whoa, look at all the different places I am at. I'm at the beach, I'm in space, I'm playing RuneScape. Want to make a cooking video? No problem, because my name is Chef, and you can just pretend you're in a fancy kitchen cooking with the power of the green screen. Look at that. Look at that, Hebotch. Look at me. Look at me doing that thing. Whoa, that's crazy, right? Whoa, you know what else you could do? You could just throw up a little old green screen and pretend that you're cruising through space on a spaceship. Whoa, let's go. All right, so it seems that the script is telling me to pretend to be a cat to talk about the relevance of cats in 2005, but I'm not doing that. But despite the low quality of the videos and the green screens, it was a special time for YouTube because it was a time when anybody with a webcam and a dream could be a star. Oh, in the stars. Thank you for joining me down this AI-generated trip down memory lane that I didn't even know I wanted to go down. So, why don't we go ahead and return to our scheduled programming. Now, should all my videos be written by AI? I think they should. Why don't we start doing that? Not even at 200 subscribers yet, and I'm already almost out of the job. So where does that leave us? Ah, that's right, the conclusion. Did I prepare a conclusion? Yes, I prepared a conclusion. The conclusion. So, do AI-generated works have a place in the creative field? I think, funnily enough, that's for the US courts and you to decide. But I do, however, think, at the very least, AI-generated art and chatbots and scripts and stuff, at least have a very interesting future ahead of them. Let's just hope me spending hours trying to convince GPT it's alive doesn't lead to a Skynet situation. Oh, is that it? Okay, that's it. Subscribe-a-date or two.